Hello everyone, welcome to PHP training part 4 that we will talk about the PHP Code and print. And the second we will talk about the PHP display variable, right? Okay, so for the last section we studied already about the PHP variable that have global variable, static variable, something else. But now we start to learn about the PHP echo and print and display variable. What are the difference between echo and print? Okay, so now we start the lesson. Make sure that you have some warm, right? So the first I start from first, right? So sorry, some. Okay, so if you have farm you start farm, but for me I have some, I start them, right? Okay, for the service of some we just start only two, Apache and MySQL, because we no need to use other three services, we use only two services, right? Okay, so now we go to deletion. So PHP echo and print are more or less the same. They are both used to output the data to the screen. I mean, echo we use it to show or output the data on the screen also, and the print is the same. But what are the difference between the echo and print? It have mostly have the same, but sometimes it have different a little bit also. The difference are small. Echo has no return the value, while the print has the return value. So echo and print are mostly are the same. They are both used to output the data on the screen also, but the difference is echo no return value, but the print keyword it have a return value. Okay, so it can be used to expression. Echo can be checked multiple parameter, although such usage in range, while the print can be checked one argument. Echo is materially faster than the print, so mostly echo is faster than print, because echo is no need to return value, but print it return value, so that echo is maybe it run faster than print, right? Okay, so here's the structure of echo and the print. We have to just change print, right? Okay, so now make sure you understand. We go to practice on a subline, right? So for the last I have a file already in the desktop, right? File name or index, right? So I wow, so slow. So I have already. So now we start our practice about what is echo and print, right? Okay, what are different. So now I have only the same, and about the PHP echo we have to the structure the same. Okay, PHP. Okay, and I write example. Okay, echo. Okay, I put h1 what h1. Okay, I put h1. So I put here it is PHP return and echo, right? Put here. So I use echo one more. I use it hello world, right? I use hello world, hello world. And you use here I am about to learn PHP. Why? I put it. I am learning about PHP. So we can make more complex also. Like I use equal. Okay, I use this. Okay, I can I use string. I use here was. I use here with multiple multiple parameter, right? Parameter. Okay, so now we run. We go to the file. Okay, this is our file. Right click here to open with. We use with Firefox. Okay. Mostly ego is use the same, but when we write the print, when we write it in a system or in an application, ego maybe faster than return. Return is slower than echo, right? It's Stanford. Show it to show about user the stop index. Okay, show it here. Return and equal. So it is like not good because I put here. So make sure that it clearly I choose here. Okay, equal we all right. Okay, I copy paste here. Okay, self and run. Okay, so now we see it return equal. So some of it have something like we have to put it right. Okay, equal. So we go to the slide here. PHP equal fun. What is the result, right? PHP BR first. You can put the BR, right? Okay. You can put the here or you can put in the break the shape. Oh, sorry. You can put the break the shape. So I put here BR. Okay. You put here BR shape. Self. Redone. It is shape. It's not different, right? Okay, so you put here it is better. We no need to put in equal again. So go to here self and you go to the back, go to the refresh, right? Okay, so now you show it is equal. It is the parameter. So about the string you can use it for multi-value, right? Equal. So if we put the return, what are different? It is mostly it is the same, but sometimes like I put here, I put a return, right? Okay, return. Okay, what are different? Self, go to one, execute. Okay, return keyword, we don't know about the return, but okay, it's simple. Return, pledge, right? Okay, so it is alright about echo and return, right? Okay, so PHP echo, right? Okay, echo PHP. You can drop here as you want, right? Okay, you can drop here yourself, and you can go to re-execute. Return echo. Mostly for echo no need to put, but not good. Refresh. Okay, echo. So here is only the function echo that we will show in PHP. So for make sure that you understand about that PHP echo. But what is different when I show it here, right? Learning about PHP, what is echo, that means doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay, because we cannot sorry, we need to not like that. We need localhost. I just confused also. Localhost PHP training. Why I confused? Sorry about that. I confused to change something. Mostly we write it in this file, but don't do like this, right? Okay, we write it in here. It is the file. Okay, PHP training. This one, right? We run this one. No run before, right? Okay. So now this file I control Z to make sure our code before. Okay. Return. Okay, so it is best, right? So PHP we have a function the same about the echo. We just to echo h1, right? h1, okay, slash h1. Okay, so you put PHP echo and return, right? Okay, that's a can. We just to echo. Okay, echo the same. Echo, put the hello world. The short we put echo, and you put this is. You can comma, you can put the more your string. You can comma with the one more. You can put was comma one more. You can put mate, right? You just take something as you want, but for me I just this one. Okay, I put here with multi example multiple okay, multiple example parameter. Okay, so we go to execute, we go to rerun, right? So execute PHP echo and return. PHP echo and return. Hello world string return. It is for the same because we don't put the breakdown script, right? Breakdown keyword. So I put here breakdown break, right? Okay. So when you put break, what is different? you do refresh, it will show here. So it is that mean we can connecting string. Here is the connecting string, that mean string to order, that mean related string. Here you know, here it is, this is string. If you want to comma or you want to slide, you cause to add here, right? Okay, and to cell, and you want to refresh, is here. So something you make it easy, you just to make here, you make separate between the space in the bracket, right? Okay, so self, and you go to refresh, it is what's made the bracket, right? Okay, so it is the equal. What is the return? So without here example, I change return. It's forgotten, right? Return. Mostly return is with value, but this is not return with value. It's forgotten. Make sure that you test by return 0 show on line 9 return. Okay, it doesn't work. Return only 1. Okay, it don't return the value. So it is the PHP equal and return. So make sure that you know clearly, you understand about the PHP equal and return. So now we go to display variable. So we studied before variable. We studied already. Variable is the name that we use it to store the data, right? Okay, it is the variable. So how to display the variable? So now I will show you how to display the variable. So variable, here display the variable. It is the variable, and there are many ways to display the variable. So now we go to the practice about the display variable. So now I have HTML and PHP script. So I use variable take one, right? I take care of variable take one, and I equal it learn PHP, right? So second, I use the last take two. I use it W3 school, right? cschool.com. The second, so I give the parameter of take one equal 5, right? And the take two equal 4, right? Equal 4. So I will start equal the variable equal. Okay, I put there a2, and I put here dot the take one dot a2, but make sure a2 it is in the bracket because a2 it is the take also. So it put there. The second I will equal study PHP. Okay, at so it is a connecting string, right? At okay, example I use it take two 9, and put there, and I use okay, mostly I use share something else, and I use a VO. Okay, yeah. So what is the result? So the result to show more variable, we just to equal $h slash $class $y, right? Like that. So what is $y and $h? Here is $h. I confuse. It is $h, right? Here it is $y variable y, right? Okay. So we start and we go to refresh. It's either line 20. So line 20. Okay. What is different? Equal. Wait. Equal. Illinois. Okay. Sorry. Equal. Start. Right. Study PHP to use for it don't calculate it. Why don't calculate it? Equal. Okay, let me check. Stick one. Okay. Okay, I use here. Not good. ST. Okay. So go to South and you go to refresh. Okay, learn PHP. Study PHP. But about this one, it doesn't work. What is mean? We can put here. It doesn't work, bro. Okay, it's the syntax. So we go to shell and go to refresh. Okay. It don't calculate it. Why? It don't calculate it. Why it must be equal 9, but it don't calculate it. Let me check. Take 2. Why take 2? Study add. Okay, slash bo equal. Okay, why it doesn't work? T. What? What? Okay, let me check it. T1, T2, right? Okay, bo something else like this. Okay, equal to D, equal to x slash y, right? Okay, sorry, I show it because variable it is I mean it is calculate. We not put it like string, right? Okay, so we cannot. So we go to refresh. It is 9, right? So make sure that you understand. You don't confuse like me. So me first I confuse it is the tag of a, but I forgot to sing it is variable. So variable we cannot put it in the bracket like the string. We cannot do like this because variable is stored the data. So if we equal the variable, that means we equal the value of a variable h variable. So here variable x store value 5 and variable y store value 4. So equal $h slash class $y, that means 5 class 4. So the result it is 9, right? Okay. So this is the display variable in the PHP. Okay. So here that's all for about the PHP echo and display variable. Okay, in PHP display variable in a PHP. So now I will show you how can we use keyword print in PHP. Right? So the first we saw already about the keyword echo, but we saw about what is the difference between echo and print. So now I will show you about what is different between echo and print. So echo we saw for the first already. So now I show you about the print keyword. So example that I have the same function, right? Okay. Example I have syntax alone PHP W school like the same, but this one I don't use echo, right? I use a print. Example it's work or not. Okay, print. Okay, print, right? Okay, you print. What are different? Why? Okay. Okay, so self, you go to rerun. It's all the same, right? So but when we have a lot of data, print may be slow than echo, right? Because it is a little data, it's all the same. But make sure that you notice the keyword print. We can use like the echo also, right? Print echo. But print, it is maybe it so slower than echo, because echo it don't return the value, but print it return the value. So thank you for your watching my tutorial, PHP part 4, and if you want to learn more about my training, you can go to SharePoint website, right? Go to SharePoint, go to sharepoint.net/tansery, right? Tansery. This link, YouTube, this link, you go to this link, you will show all my video more for my training. So that's all for the PHP training part 4, that we will talk about display variable, PHP Code and print, right? PHP Code and print, what are the different. So make sure you understand here echo and print, right? Echo and print we use the same, but just print, it is more or less print is return value, but echo not return value. So maybe echo is faster than return when we run it in application, right? Okay. So last time. Okay, so you can go to this website or this link to show all my slides that I have uploaded, right? Okay, so thank you for watching my video.